Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin graph chart. Today I describe everything about the graph. So let's start. First of all, I am in the on day chart. In on day chart, you can see this graph is going to up, which I said in my previous video. If I go to on hour chart, you can see this graph is going to up. If I go to 2 hour chart, you can see this graph also going to up. If I go to 3 hour chart, you can see this graph also going to up. If I go to 4 hour chart, you can see this graph also going to up. So if I go to 1 minute chart, you can see more clearly this graph also going to up. If I go to 5 minute chart, you can see this graph also going to up. If I go to 30 minute chart, you can see this graph also going to up. If I go 45 minute chart, you can see also this graph also going to up. So it's so clear market must be going to up. So if I more unclear, for this I go to on the chart. Took this in on the chart, the market is going to up. So if I take a scale, in that position market going to 1 pips down, after that he going to up. So I think market follow this graph, I think so. At last market going to this place. Now the market is on this place and then he going to this place. I think everybody understand what I describe and what I mean. If you know the good prediction or good decision, comment below and share your idea. I think everybody clear it. Now I can discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 30,449.20 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is 1 BTC is equal to 30,449.20 USD. I think everybody like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.